Alright, so this is one of those shape inside of a shape problems. They're talking about a deck and whatnot. The deck is the shaded area. So we're supposed to find the area of the shaded region, really. Anytime we have a shape inside of a shape and we want the shaded area between them, our strategy is to subtract. Start with the outer shape, which in this case is the big circle, and subtract the inner shape, which in this case is just a smaller circle. So that's my strategy, big circle minus little circle. Okay, well, in both cases, I'm going to be dealing with pi r squared, because they're both circles, so pi r squared, pi r squared. Okay, let's start with the small circle actually, because that's the most straightforward. We need the radius of the small circle, so we can do pi r squared. 4.2, is that the radius of the small circle? No, it is not the radius of the small circle. Let me see if I can make this really clear. The center of this circle is somewhere about here. 4.2 is the diameter all the way across. Okay, that means the radius should be half of that. Okay, so the radius of this circle should be 2.1. Okay, 2.1 is the radius of the small circle. So that's going to make this pi times 2.1 squared. Okay, I'll be subtracting that later. Now, the big circle. I need to know the radius of the big circle. Is it 1.7? Is this the radius of the big circle? Well, certainly not. It's not the radius of the big circle. Alright, that doesn't even reach to the center. So, if the center of the circle is here, this would be the radius of the big circle. Okay, that green would be the radius of the big circle. Now, I need to be very, very careful here. This green radius is made up of two pieces that I know. One piece is the distance, the radius of the smaller circle, which I know is 2.1. So I'll go ahead and write that down. Right? The rest of this radius is this part right here, the part that's in the shaded area, which is indicated to be 1.7. Okay? So to find the radius of the big circle, I need to add those two numbers together. So 2.1 plus 1.7. So that's going to give me 3.8. 3.8 is going to be the radius of the big circle. So when I do pi r squared on the big circle, I need to be doing pi times 3.8 squared. There's no need for me to find decimals for these individual pieces. You can just go ahead and type the entire expression into your calculator, just like it is written on the paper, and go straight to the answer. So we're going to get 31.51. So that's it. That would be the shaded area, the area of the deck.